the levels 5, 4 and 3 of TNT, they really made me feel again, like really feel things outside of me, outside of the whole concept of thinking, feeling, thinking and planning. And I used to be in my planning mode, in my thinking mode a lot, and I did so hard my best to like get out of it. I tried so hard and I didn't get it. And the process in level 5, it really made me see all those things. It made me see myself from a distance, my ego patterns, what I do that is like ugly to myself and ugly to others. So that, yeah, I'm really grateful for that I could see that. So after that, in level 4, I started to feel again, because we learned all kinds of tools to be able to feel more. It's like in your body, but not like yoga and all this stuff. This is different, because I have been searching for stuff like for over 10 years. Like I did it all, like yoga and Tantra and everything, and it's just, it kept me in my pattern. And here I got taken out of the pattern. I got taken out of the equation somehow because of the way that the workshop is set up, right? It's also a whole order that follows each other, follows one another, and which completely fits. And it made me able to feel again, like to feel my body again. I feel quiet now in my head. I feel quiet in my heart. I learned all kinds of techniques to connect to my body, to connect to things outside of me. Because that was a mistake I made. Like, okay, it has to go to the body. I have to focus on the body. But that's, at some point, you're also stuck. I was stuck at some point because there's more outside of you, right? Like, the whole divine that I was like, oh, of course, aware of in theory, but I never felt it, you know? Nobody ever taught me that. I come from an atheist family, and it's like, I just wasn't familiar to me. And now we got taken through this whole process as a group. This group process is so strong, like with all the projections and the reflections you get from each other. It's so helpful in seeing your own patterns and to get guidance in that in a very loving way, but also very like strict way. So it's like both strict and loving, which you need, right? Some people need a strict approach, some people need a loving approach. You actually need both. So I really got it here, and this helped me to let go of the ego, let go of the patterns, let go of what I thought was me, you know. I now feel like, okay, this is not me, these are the patterns that I have, and I have many of them. So I was always confused, which is my ego? I don't know, what is it? So yeah, now I clearly feel what is me, and that is not me. What is me is like the birds and the spirits and all the things you can pray to, right? The things you can feel. And to do that as a group and to feel all of that as a group is so powerful and so strong that it made me very humble, like very humble, deeply touched. I haven't felt that humble ever since I was a child, I think. Yeah, it started pretty early, all the patterns, of course, that came up to protect myself. Yeah, and here in a very unique way, way that I have never came across before. It came to me, and I could let go, and that's why I feel really relieved now. And I pray that I can take it like with me for the rest of my life. But I know for sure things are changed. You know, I'm gonna do stuff differently because it doesn't work the way before. How did it? It doesn't work. It just makes me feel tired. And I don't want to be tired. I want to be alive and happy and light and playful and innocent. Yeah, and all the good things. Yeah, I think that's it.
Thank you very much. That was great.
Thank you. Great that you taping this, because it's good to bring it across, right? It's hard to bring stuff across that happens in workshops because you don't take any pictures or movie clips or whatever. So testimonials are a good way of getting it across. But you actually need to just like try it for yourself, because I can't explain it. You have to feel it.
Thanks.